If limit x tends to 0, tan of pi by 4 plus x whole power 1 by x minus e square by x square is equal to p by q times of e square. P and q belongs to n, then the minimum value of p plus q is. Now question is limit x tends to 0. Now x power x would be taken as e power x into log x. E power x into log x. So this one is x power 1 by x. So better one is e power 1 by x into log of tan of pi by 4 plus x minus e square divided by x square. Now argument or limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x is 1. Argument towards 0, e power a minus 1 can be replaced by this argument. సో మనం ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పుకున్నాం ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోస్లో వేరే కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అన్ని చెప్పాం, కొద్దిగా చూడండి. Argument towards 0, e power a minus 1 can be replaced by this argument a. So here required e power a minus 1. So bring outside e square. Limit x tends to 0, bring outside e square times of e power 1 by x log of tan of pi by 4 plus x. So bring outside e square, e power a by e power b, e power a minus b. So e power 1 by x into log of tan of pi by 4 plus x by e power 2. So minus 2. So minus 1 divided by x square. This one like e power a minus 1. E power a minus 1 just replace it by argument a. So this is the argument. E square bring outside, limit x tends to 0. So what is the argument? 1 by x into log of tan of pi by 4 plus x minus 2. Better one taking LCM. So taking LCM 2x, 2 into x by x into x square, x cube. Now e square limit x tends to 0, tan 45 plus theta, 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta, the log of 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x minus 2x by x cube. E square limit x tends to 0. This one log a by b, log a minus log b, log of 1 plus tan x minus log of 1 minus tan x minus 2x. Enter this value divided by x cube. So here better one taking extension of log of 1 plus x. Log of 1 plus x expansion is x minus x square by 2 plus x power 3 by 3 minus x power 5 by 5 and so on. Now expansion log of 1 minus x. This x plus the minus x తీసుకోవాలి. So minus x square by 2 minus x power by 3 by 3 minus x power by 5 and so on. So using expansion, now e square limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus tan x, log of 1 plus x is x minus, so x plus the మనకి tan x వస్తుంది. So tan x minus tan square x by 2 plus tan cube x by 3 minus and so on enough. So next one is minus of log of 1 minus tan x. Log of 1 minus tan x, all the values to negative terms. So minus x minus tan x minus tan square x by 2 minus tan cube x by 5 and so on. So next minus 2x. So minus 2x. Enter this divided by x cube. I hope this is clear. So So next one is next step is e square, limit x tends to 0, tan x minus of minus plus tan x, so 2 times of tan x, tan square x by 2 minus of minus plus tan square x by 2 cancelled out, tan cube x by 3 minus of minus tan cube x by 3. So this one 2 times plus 2 times 2/3 of tan cube x. So minus 2x by x cube. We are better on using expansion of this one, expansion of tan x. E square limit x tends to 0, 2 times of expansion of tan x is x plus 2 by, so expansion of tan x is x plus x power 3 by 3 plus 2 by (15) of x power 5 by 5 and so on, plus 2 by 3 tan cube x minus 2x divided by x power 3. I hope this is clear. So this one is 2 by 15 x power 5, 2 by 15 x power 5. Here x approaches 0, least degree term will be the dominating term. So here 2 into x, 2x minus 2x cancelled out. So least degree term is x power 3. So e square, x approaches 0, x tends to 0. It means the least degree term will be the dominating term. Rest of the terms, the remaining terms can be neglected. So e square limit x tends to 0, 2 into 1/3, 2 by 3rd x cube. Remaining terms can be neglected, plus 2 by 3rd tan cube x. So divided by x cube. Now e square limit x tends to 0, 2/3 x cube, just 2/3 plus 2/3 tan cube x by x cube, tan x by x whole power 3. So limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is, which is 1. Now e square into 2/3 plus this value is 1 into 2 by 3. This will be e square into, taking LCM 3, 2 plus 2, 4 by 3rd. So 4 by 3 into e square, which is equals given p by q into e square. So compare this to the value of p is 4, the value of q is 3. So p plus q, the minimum value of p plus q, 4 plus 3, which is 7. So third one is the right option. I hope you are understanding. Next problem. Let A, B, C be sides of a triangle ABC such that limit r tends to infinity, r approaches infinity, cos A by r minus cos B by r into cos C by r by sin B by r into sin C by r equal to 1/2. Important substitution cheppam manam. So question is the value of b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. What is important substitutions? X approaches infinity, let t equal to 1 by x. Then t tends to 0. Here r approaches infinity. Now let t equal to 1 by r. Now t approaches 0, t tends to 0. So limit t tends to 0, here 1 by r is t, cos at minus cos bt into cos ct by sin bt into sin ct equal to 1 by 2. Actually r approaches 0, 1 by r is 0, cos 0 1, cos 0 1, cos 0 1 into 1 1, 1 minus 1 0, numerator approaches 0, so this one sin 0 0, 0 into anything 0, so numerator approaches 0, denominator approaches 0, so 0 by 0 form, it is indeterminate form. Now r here sin bt into sin ct, these two are in product form, so t approaches argument 0 అయితే ఏమవుతుందండి sin bt ప్లస్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా, ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ టువర్డ్స్ 0 sin a sin inverse a tan inverse a can be replaced by argument. ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ 0 అయింది అనుకోండి sin a ప్లస్ లో జస్ట్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఏ తీసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది కదా, సో లిమిట్ t tends to 0 cos at minus cos bt into cos ct by, so argument is bt, here argument is ct, sin bt plus bt తీసుకోవచ్చు argument, sin ct plus argument ct, argument 0 అయితేనే bt 0 కదా, t towards 0, so b into 0 0, argument 0, here also 0, argument equal to 1 by 2. Bring outside 1 by bc constant, limit t towards 0. A better one is using expansion. What expansion of cos x? Cos x is even function, 1 minus x power 2 by 2 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial minus x power 6 by 6 factorial and so on. It is expansion of cos x. Cos at, 1 minus a square t square by 2 factorial plus x power 4, a power 4, t power 4 by 4 factorial 24 into 3 into 2 and so on, minus cos bt, so 1 minus b square t square by 2 factorial plus b power 4 t power 4 by 24 4 factorial and so on into cos ct, 1 minus c square t square by 2 factorial plus c power 4 t power 4 by 4 factorial and so on. So enter this divided by t square equal to 1 by 2. So t towards 0, it means least degree term will be the dominating term. Here which one is the least degree term? So here minus 1, 1 minus 1 cancelled out, 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 plus 1 cancelled out. 1 by bc, limit t towards 0, 1 minus a square t square by 2 plus and so on, minus of 1 into 1, 1, least degree term 1, so 1 into this one, minus c square t square by 2, so t power 4 is the higher degree term, leave it. Now 1 into, so 1 into 1 is 1, just 1 into this term is minus b square t square by 2 and so on by t square equal to 1 by 2. I hope you are understanding. Here 1 and minus 1 cancelled out. Now 1 by bc into limit t tends to 0, so minus a square t square by 2 minus of minus plus c square t square by 2 minus of minus plus b square t square by 2. T towards 0, least degree term will be the dominating term by t square equal to 1 by 2. Here taking LCM to 1 by 2 bc, limit x tends to limit t tends to 0, t square cancelled, minus a square, this one is a plus c square, this one is plus b square equal to 1 by 2. Actual question requires b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. So b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc equal to 1 by 2. So this one answer is 1 by 2. Which option? So second one is the right option. I hope this is clear. In case b square plus c square minus a square by bc అడిగాడు అనుకోండి. సో bc అడిగితే ఏమొస్తుందండి 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1, which is 1 answer. b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc is 1 by 2. Sometimes question will ask b square plus c square minus a square by bc equals 2 cancelled. So 1 is the answer. Next one, limit x tends to 0, 2 power sin x minus 1 log of 1 plus sin 2x by x into tan inverse x. సో ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ 0 అయింది అనుకోండి. ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ 0 అయితే ఏం చేయొచ్చు మనం ఏ పవర్ ఏ మైనస్ 1 ప్లస్లో లాగ్ 2 తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఫార్మ్ ఉంది కదండి. సో లిమిట్ ఎక్స్ టెండ్స్ టు 0 ఏ పవర్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 1 బై ఎక్స్. సో దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ లాగ్ ఏ బేస్ ఈ. స్టాండ్ ఫార్మ్ లాగ్ ఏ బేస్ ఈ. సో your argument is 0. So this value replaced by log 2. So one more step, limit x tends to 0, 2 power sin x minus 1 by a denominator required sin x into sin x. This one is next into 1 by x into log of 1 plus sin 2x divided by tan inverse x. So tan inverse x divided by x multiplied by x. So argument 0 అయితే tan inverse x by x is 1. If the x tends to 0, tan inverse x by x which is 1. Now limit x tends to 0. So a power x minus 1 by x is a log a base a. So log 2. Log 2. So better one. Your argument is 0. Argument towards 0. X sin x sin a sin a sin inverse a tan inverse a. So a by sin a, so x అనుకోండి, ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ x అయినప్పుడు 0, sin x ఆల్రెడీ x చెప్పుకున్న పదము సింపుల్ గా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తారు. Now a or b, x sin x sin inverse x tan inverse x. Limit x tends to 0, a by b which is 1. Here a or b, a x sin inverse x tan inverse x, b also x sin inverse x tan inverse x. So a by b means x by sin x is 1, sin x by x is 1. Sin inverse x by sin x is 1, sin x by sin inverse x is 1. X by sin inverse x is 1, sin inverse x by x is 1. Tan x by sin inverse x is 1, sin inverse x by tan x is 1. ఏదైనా తీసుకున్నా సరే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది 1 వస్తుంది. ఆల్రెడీ మనం క్లియర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసాం ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో. నా లిమిట్ x tends to 0, sin x by sin x by tan inverse x. This one is 1. Sin x by tan inverse x is 1. Tan inverse x by sin x is 1. If the extends to a by b, a all the functions a and this coach, all functions b and this coach, a by b or b by a, whatever, equal to 1. So this one is 1. Now 1 by 2 log of this one. So log of 1 plus sin 2x whole power 1 by x. Log 2 constant, bring outside. Log 2 limit x tends to 0. Now limit x tends to 0, sin x by tan inverse x. So sin x by tan inverse x, which is 1. This value is 1. Here base is x towards 0, x tends to 0. Argument is 0, sin 0 is 0. So base is 1, 1 by 0 infinity. This one like 1 power infinity form. 1 power infinity form. మనం క్లియర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాం ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోస్లో, కుదిరితే చూడండి. 1 పవర్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఫార్ములా మీద బేస్ లెవెల్ నుంచి అడ్వాన్స్ లెవెల్ టీచ్ చేస్తాం మనం క్వశ్చన్స్. సో వాట్స్ ద 1 పవర్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఫార్మ్? సో f of x power g of x. What's the formula? G of x into f of x minus 1. 1 power infinity formula, g of x into f of x minus 1. This is the formula. This one f of x, this one g of x. G of x into g of x is 1 by x into f of x minus 1, 1 plus sin 2x minus 1. F of x minus 1. 1 minus 1 cancelled out. Now log 2 limit x tends to 0, 1 by x into. సో x towards 0, ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ 0 అయింది అనుకోండి, sin x ప్లస్ మనం ఏం చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా. sin 2x ప్లస్ ఏం చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్. ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ 2x ఉంది, x 0 కదా, 2 into 0 0. ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ 0 అయితే sin a లో మనం ఏం చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ a తీసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఈజ్ 2x. x cancelled. So only 2. So this will be 2 into log 2. This will be log 2 whole square. Or log 4. So log 2 square is wrong option. Wrong. So first one is the right option. I hope this is clear. Next one. If f of x is a quadratic expression such that f of minus 2 equals f of 2 equal to 0 and f of 1 equal to 6, then limit x tends to 0, square root of f of x minus 2 root x by log of cos x is equal to. F of x is a quadratic expression. Degree of f of x is a 2 degree equation. F of minus 2 equal to f of 2 equal to 0. So minus 2 is a factor of f of x, 2 is a factor of f of x. Minus 2 and 2 both are factors of f of x. So what is the quadratic expression? X minus 2 into x plus 2. 2 is a factor of f of x, minus 2 is a factor of f of x. Now f of x equals to some lambda, constant lambda into x minus 2 into x plus 2. F of x is a quadratic expression. Here x minus 2 and x plus 2 both are factors of 2 and minus 2 both are factors of f of x. So this one is f of x. Given f of 1 equal to 6, f of 1 equal to 6. So put x equal to 1, lambda into, here x is 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 plus 2, 3 equal to 6. Here lambda equal to minus 2. Lambda equal to minus 2. So f of x equal to minus 2 into x square minus 4. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Now f of x is 8 minus 2x square. What is f of x? 8 minus 2x square. Yes. Now question is limit x tends to 0, square root of 8 minus 2x square minus 2 root by log of cos x. Log of cos x. So rationalization, root x minus root y. So x minus y by root x plus root y. So rationalization చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందంటే x minus y by root x plus root y. Many times చేసాం మనము ఈ టాపిక్ లో. Now limit x tends to 0. So root x minus root y, x minus y. What x minus y? X is 8 minus 2x square minus y. Y is 2 root. This one is this one like square root of 4 to the 8, root 8. So this one is only 8. Square root of 8 minus 2x square, 2 root 2 or root 8. Both are same. By square root of x plus square root of y. Square root of x. Square root of 8 minus 2x square plus root 8. Plus root 8 or plus 2 root 2. We know that log of 1 plus log of 1 plus x by x is 1. Limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus x by x is 1. Log e base a. So 1 by log of add 1 subtract 1. 1 plus cos x minus 1 by here x is cos x minus 1. Cos x minus 1 into cos x minus 1. I hope you are understanding. This one like log of 1 plus x by x. So multiplied by cos x minus 1 divided by cos x minus 1. Now limit x tends to 0, 8 minus 8 cancelled, minus 2x square by, here x is 0, root 8, 2 root 8. Root 8 plus root 8, root 8. Into this value is 1. This value is 1. 1 log of 1 plus x by x, which is 1. So cos x minus 1. So 1 by cos x minus 1. It is a purely constant. Bring outside 1 by 4 into 2. Square root of 4, 2 root 2. 2 into 2, 4 root is 1. Limit x tends to 0, minus 2x square by cos x minus 1. Here numerator approaches 0, denominator approaches 0. 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form. Here x is 0, numerator approaches 0. So cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1, 0, denominator approaches 0, 0 by 0 form. Better one, L'Hopital rule. You are applying L'Hopital rule. What is L'Hopital rule? Differentiation numerator and denominator with respect to x separately. So 1 by 4 root 2, limit x tends to 2. So differentiation of the numerator is minus 4x. Minus 4x by differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of constant is 0. Again 0 by 0 form. Again applying L'Hopital rule or formula. What is the formula? Limit x tends to 0. This one. Limit x tends to 0. X by sin x is 1. Sin x by x is 1. Minus cancelled. This value is 1. Now 4 into 1 4. 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 root 2, which is 1 by root 2. So answer is 1 by root 2. So third one is the right option. I hope you are understanding. Next one, limit x tends to 0, x minus sin x the whole square by e power x square minus 1 into x power 4 is equal to limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x equal to 1. Now limit x tends to 0, x minus sin x whole square, so 1 by e power x square minus 1 by e power x square minus 1 by required x square divided by x square multiplied by x square. This will be x power 6, x power 4 into x power 2, x power 6. So better on using expansion. What is expansion of sin x? Sin x is a odd function. So x minus x power 3 by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial and so on. This one is expansion of sin x. Limit x tends to 0, x minus expansion of sin x is x minus x power 3 by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial and so on whole square. This one is 1, this value is 1, so divided by x power 6, divided by x power 6. Now limit x tends to 0, x minus x cancelled, minus of minus plus x power 3 by 3 factorial, so minus x power 5 by 5 factorial plus and so on. So this power of this is square, x power 6. Your denominator is x power 6, so divided by x power 3 whole square. X power 3 power 2 is x power 6. Here x approaches 0, least degree term will be the dominating term. The remaining terms can be neglected. In the numerator, least degree term is x power 3 by 3 factorial. Denominator least degree term is x power 3. Limit x tends to 0, x power 3 by 3 factorial, 3 2s are 6 by x power 3 whole power 2. X power 3, x power 3 cancelled out to 1 by 6 square, 1 by 36. 1 by 6 square, which is 1 by 36. So fourth one is the right option. So this is the important point in it. The idea is identify just the problem is there both. Next problem, limit x tends to infinity, x into 1 by e minus of x by x plus 1 whole power x. Important substitution చెప్పమనం. Substitution x approaches infinity, let t equal to 1 by x. Now t approaches 0. T approaches 0. Now here t equal to 1 by x. Now t tends to 0. Now limit t approaches 0. Here x is 1 by t. Here x equal to 1 by t. So 1 by t into 1 by e. 1 by e is e power minus 1. So minus, here x is 1 by t. 1 by t by x plus 1. 1 by t plus 1. 1 plus t by t. So whole power 1 by t. So t cancel out. Limit t towards 0. 1 by t into e power minus 1 minus of 1 by 1 plus t whole power 1 by t. Limit t tends to 0, 1 by t into e power minus 1 minus. So x power x would be taken as e power x into log x. This one also like x power x. So e power 1 by t into log of 1 plus log of 1 by 1 plus t. So actually limit extends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x, which is 1. A required e power x minus 1, limit t towards 0, 1 by t, bring outside minus e power minus 1, minus of minus plus, this one e power 1 by t log of 1 by 1 plus t minus 1 minus 1. E power minus of e power 1 minus 1 into 1 is e power 1. So bring outside a constant 1 by e power 1. So 1 by e. Limit t tends to 0. 1 by t into this one e power 1 by t log of, so better one is taking LCM t. So log of 1 by 1 plus t minus t by t minus 1. So divided by this function, multiplied by this function. Log of 1 by 1 plus t minus t divided by t into log of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus t minus t by t. So this value is 1, enter this value is 1. Limit extends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x is 1. So minus 1 by e, limit t towards 0, t approaches 0, this value is 1, t into t square, denominator is a t square, numerator is a log of 1 by 1 plus t minus t. Yeah, t is 0, 1 by 1, log 1 is 0 and 0 minus 0, numerator approaches 0, denominator approaches 0, 0 by 0 form, indeterminate form. So L'Hopital rule, using L'Hopital rule. Minus 1 by e, limit t approaches 0. Log x, differentiation of what is the L'Hopital rule? Differentiation numerator and denominator with respective t separately. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x, 1 by 1 plus t. So differentiation of 1 by x, differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So into minus 1 by 1 plus t whole square. So constant differentiation of t is 1 by 2t. Our expansion ఇచ్చేసిన అయిపోతుంది log of 1 plus t whole power minus 1. సో ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ ఇచ్చేసిన అయిపోతుంది సింపుల్ గా చూద్దాం. సో minus 1 by e, limit t tends to 0. This one is 1 plus t minus of minus plus 1 plus t by 1 plus t whole square minus 1 by 2t. Now 1 by e, limit t tends to 0, one time cancelled. So again numerator approaches 0, denominator approaches 0, 1 minus 1 0. So 0 by 0 form. Again using L'Hopital rule. Differentiation of 1 by 1 plus t minus 1 by 1 plus t whole square. Differentiation of constant 0 by differentiation of 2t with respect to t is 2. This will be minus 1 by e. So t approaches 0, 1 plus 0, 1 by 1. So 1 by 1 is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. This will be minus 1 by 2e. So option there